And for today's video, I am going to make a vegan or vegetable salads, and this is all the recipes. So first chop the fennel, and this fennel is really good for our health, and especially that I am suffering from acid reflux, so I have to eat light during dinner. So just put the fennel in the big huge bowl. And I would like also to shout out to my members, and 1970s Tiger mega shout out. And the second stop is peel the carrots. And this carrots is also good for our health, and this couple of days in the fridge, so there's like black spot in it, as you can see. And I am so glad right now that I am not suffering from stress, so my acid reflux also reduce. And this is how I make my chopping. Instead of chopping, what I mean is I slice this in the peeler and directly to the bowl. And my third ingredients is this huge crunchy apple, and I peeled like this. And this apple is so good, and sometimes I eat just lunch with this, or most of my snacks, because since I am super aware of my acid reflux, so instead of eating junk foods, because I apparently I throw all my junk food snacks in my pantry to avoid having an attack of this acid reflux around 3 a.m. to 5:30 in the morning. So it's so stressing. So this is how I cure myself and eat healthy, because usually every once a week we have our aperitif during Friday. And I am so happy because I was in ROme last March 3 for my passport renewal, and I got this glorious and marvelous green mango, crunchy. And I peeled just one. I bought actually 4 pieces, and since I am saving this for my other recipes, so just one one piece of this, and then directly to the bowl I am peeling it like that. And have a go. Mix slowly till all the ingredients combined. and 1 or 2 spoons of fish sauce, depend on your taste, because this spongy and a very stinky fish sauce is OMG. Then 1 or 2 spoons of olive oil. This is really a good for diet and for a cooking. And for my carbs, I have this a glorious and scrumptious pita bread. I just heat it in the pan. I just have a go like that, and 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. It's ready. And some slices of salami, 1 or 2 as well. And 2 slices of fresh prosciutto. Et tada! Et voila! Ready! Mangiamo! Let's go eating! I really hope so, guys, that you enjoyed my simple and very easy to make salads, vegan salads. And I'm going to eat right now. And don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments, and hit the buttons, guys. Okay, bye bye, ciao.
Is that a chew toy or a living creature? Fuck, I've slid in. I didn't want to go this far in. Oh, holy shit, he just blinked at me. That's definitely not a toy. I repeat, that is not a toy. It's one of those reptilian lizard motherfuckers that descend.
We demand
haircut.
Shut up.
Ow, ow.
We demand oat milk. Yeah. I need oat milk because I'm lactose. Can we get catnip? I'm lactose intolerant.
Yeah, I'm vegan.
Okay?
I'm vegan.
I caught it! Get the f*** out of here! Here, help me out,
No! I ain't touching nothing!
Get something, get a towel or something, we can trap it.
Oh, don't put it near me then!
Here, oh my
I'll
god.
take a on
It's moving, Grandma!
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick it up on 3,
What do you want
2,
me to do?
Butter, good for diet. Inom ng butter and bite. Butter flavor, yeah!